Buzz around iPhone 16's battery a mixed bag for Pro Max and Plus models. The tech world is abuzz with rumors about the iPhone 16, even though it's only February. The latest whispers suggest a significant redesign of the battery in the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Earlier, we brought you news about the potential for an iPhone 12-like camera configuration in Apple's upcoming standard model. Now it seems that changes to the battery could be on the cards for several iPhone 16 models. In this video, we unravel the mysteries of the upcoming iPhone 16. From rumored battery upgrades to potential design changes, we've got the inside scoop. Don't miss out on the chance to be ahead of the curve. Click play now to dive into the world of the iPhone 16. Renowned Apple insider Majin Buu, via X, has shared some intriguing details. According to him, the iPhone 16 will house a battery that's 6% larger than its predecessor, the iPhone 15, 3,561 mAh versus 3,349 mAh. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is also set to follow suit with a 5% larger battery than the iPhone 15 Pro Max, 4,676 mAh versus 4,422 mAh. While Buu hasn't been able to gather any information on the Pro model yet, he does mention that the iPhone 16 Plus will buck the trend. Contrary to its counterparts, it's expected to feature a battery that's 9% smaller than the iPhone 15 Plus. These numbers are, of course, tentative, with the iPhone 16 series not due until September 2024. However, they do suggest potential enhancements in battery life for the standard iPhone 16 and its larger Max variant, which are rumored to be taller and slimmer than their predecessors. The iPhone 16 Pro is likely to undergo similar changes in aspect ratio, suggesting that both Pro models could see improved battery performance. However, the news isn't as promising for the iPhone 16 Plus. Its predecessor impressed us with its stellar battery life. Our review of the iPhone 15 Plus hailed it as an unstoppable powerhouse that delivers on battery and performance. It's surprising, then, that Apple might compromise the iPhone 16 Plus's key selling point by downsizing its battery. The speculated reshuffling of the camera bump could be a factor in this change. The iPhone 16 Plus, like the standard iPhone 16, is rumored to feature a 2-lens vertical camera setup, which could affect the battery's placement. But if that were the case, the standard iPhone 16 would also be impacted. Instead, it's slated to receive a larger battery. This leaves us somewhat puzzled. Could the iPhone 16 Plus introduce features that require more space than the standard iPhone 16? If so, it would mark the first time Apple has differentiated its non-Pro iPhones beyond screen and battery size. Adding to the intrigue, both the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus are rumored to share the same chipset as their Pro-level siblings, likely the A18 Bionic, a first for Apple. If this turns out to be accurate, Apple will need to distinguish its latest iPhones in other ways this year. This could make for the most diverse and perhaps the most exciting iPhone lineup in a while. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with our latest content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, click on the bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload from us. Remember, your support helps us create more content for you. Until next time, take care and we'll see you in the next video.